some of my videos with the channel as it was developing, and some of the different, too many hobbies that I end up having. The channel has some, DIY videos on it. Has some art stuff. It has the coins. It has the yard sailing stuff. It's kind of a conglomerate of everything that I do. I have, a number of different avenues of interest that I have. So I got family stuff. I got some video logs. I have the silver content. I have tours of the books on vacations that I go on. I try to do a little bit of just kind of as a family rememberings, and then at the same time building some new client data in there, some fun videos that I'm trying to do. I'm not sure exactly where the avenue wants to go with the channel, but it's starting to be a few different playlists of some fun stuff. And some of the stuff, we have the idea of a homestead working on it, so we do a little bit of food production. We do some stuff with pets, some family, entrepreneurial, some instructions, how to DIY stuff, how to do different projects. So the channel is going to have a lot to offer on all of those avenues, and I want to be able to see where the direction wants to go. I'm going to try to make different videos of each one of the categories, and just getting content, getting that stuff there, being able to create different things. Once it gets large enough, maybe divide the channels into different segments so that people can follow what they want to. I have 3 channels now, but I'm putting most of the content on this channel here, and then a couple other ones just have some of the more off-the-wall ideas. So maybe it'll be something that develops into larger channels on those there, but everything is pretty much going to be on this channel, so I want you to follow this here. But there's some great stuff to come, and again, like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to hear, and we'll see if we can do that. Some business, entrepreneurial stuff is always a goal of what we want to see moving forward. Bounce ideas off you and me, and be able to grow as a community and build that together. And some of the groups that I'm a member of is just, they got awesome stuff going on. So check out later. Wow.